Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about how closing your bank accounts may actually hinder your score from increasing. It may actually drop your score, okay? This has nothing to do with the Ultra FICO algorithm that's on its way. We know it's on its way. But at the same time, I've been noticing a huge increase in a lot of banks reporting closed accounts with open balances to the credit bureaus. Now, for those who don't know, there's a system that's been out for years called Check Systems. Actually, Check Systems has been out just as long as the credit reporting system. But in short, Check Systems is a system that banks use to pretty much say, hey, listen, this person, they used to write bad checks with us. This person, had a lot of identity theft situations. They had a lot of just fraud type things going on with their accounts. And of course, those are the less common, but the most common are normally, hey, they had an account with us, they let it go negative, and sure enough, they closed the account, or we closed the account, and they left us, they footed us with a bill, okay? And essentially, that's when you close an account with an open balance. In short, that normally stays on check systems. And because of that, a lot of people have a difficult time opening up a checking account. So again, now you also have the second thing that's going on behind the scenes. A lot of banks are now coming out with second chance checking accounts. A lot of online banks are starting to do so. And people back in the day, you only had just checking accounts and you had savings, and then you had the rise of prepaid cards. And of course, now you can pretty much you don't really have to have too much of anything. Really, you got Cash App, they now have a debit card. Square is now coming out with a debit card now as well too. So there's a lot of platforms out there where they have not full banking, like the traditional banking, but there's a lot of competitors now, and that people are okay with. As long as their money comes in, there's a lot of people that just live off of Cash App and Zelle and things of that sort. So, but either way, I don't know if Zelle does, but either way, I know Cash App and Facebook Pay, you can actually get paid through Facebook with no fees just by having a debit card. My point is that the alternative, a lot of people have they're not in a rush to actually start paying off these old debts that they owe banks. So now I've been seeing a huge major increase in banks now reporting those open balances that are due to the credit bureaus. And so now you have to think twice before you close out those accounts, with these open balances. Now, I've seen it lately. We have a couple clients in Canada that I've seen it, and of course, it's a really big deal up there. It seems like as soon as you close an account, there's an open balance. I don't think they have a Check Systems platform. They send it directly to the credit bureaus. So Check Systems has been out for a very long time. That was normally their field if you owed banks money, through checking accounts and things of that sort. But now they're starting to do it. We have a client that's in Texas. We have another client that's in Missouri. And I saw it, and I'm like, I never seen that before. I've seen it before, but I've never seen it so recently. Like, he literally just closed his account about 3 months ago. And sure enough, it's on his credit report. So they're making sure that they put that debt on your credit report. They're making sure that they're now selling that to collection companies on your credit report, because if you're now closing out accounts, and we're not talking about a traditional closeout an account where all the, pending transactions have now cleared, the balance is zero. We're talking about, you guys know what I'm talking about, when you close out that account and it still had money in, there was money that was due and it went negative and you close it out. We know those types of accounts, right? But either way, just be on the lookout for that. Make sure that if you do close out an account with the bank, make sure that there's no other pending transactions due, because now they're starting to report that more to the credit bureaus, okay? So, but again, I don't know what's going to happen to Check Systems, but it's been an old platform that's been out for years. But again, with the rise of all these, Cash App type of accounts that are giving out debit cards, all these, like Facebook Pay and Square Card Reader now giving out, debit cards and things of that sort. Just a lot of these little just in between, the gray area side of banking is now starting to change a few things. So just kind of keep that in mind, because again, you want to make sure that if you do close close out an account, everything is zeroed out completely, okay? So of course, if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.